Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's study about the properties of subtraction of rational numbers. In the previous class we have seen the properties like closure property, commutative property, associative property, etc. for addition, and there we have seen all the properties were satisfied for the rational numbers under addition. Now here in today's class let's see what happens to these properties under subtraction. Let's consider an example. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So when you are subtracting a rational number from another rational number, what will happen to the difference? The difference will be 2 upon 2, 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 by 2, that's equal to 1. This again is a rational number. Therefore, we can say that the closure property is satisfied under subtraction for the set of rational numbers. Now let's see what happens for the commutative property of rational numbers under subtraction. So we are subtracting 1 by 5 from 2 by 5. So what are you going to get? You will get this as upon 5, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 5. So when you are considering 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, you are getting 1 by 5. Now let's see 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So here what happens is upon 5, this will be 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 5. Look at that. Here we are getting minus 1 by 5 and in this case we are getting 1 by 5. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So what we can say? We can say that the commutative property does not hold good for subtraction of rational numbers. In the same way, associative property doesn't hold good for rational numbers under subtraction, and as well as subtraction has no identity and there is no inverse exists for subtraction, and no inverse exists for subtraction. So what we can conclude is that only the closure property is satisfied for subtraction for the set of rational numbers, and all other properties like commutative property, associative property does not hold good for subtraction of rational numbers, as well as subtraction has no identity and inverse. Now let's solve a few of the sums and find the values. Look at the first question. Subtract minus 2 by 9 from minus 5 by 18. Minus 5 by 18 minus 2 by 9. So here what you need to remember is you need to make the denominators equal. For that we have to take the LCM. How to take the LCM? 18 and 9. The LCM is 18 itself. So you can write this as minus 5 by 18. Here minus into minus is plus 2 by 9. Now we have to make the denominator same. So we will write this as minus 5 by 18, 18 by 18 plus 2 by 9 into 18 by 18. This will be 1 and this will be 2 here. So your answer will be minus 5 by 18 plus 4 by 18, and that is equal to minus 5 plus 4 by 18, and that is same as minus 1 by 18. Now look at the next question, that is subtract minus 5 by 8 from minus 13 by 16. From minus 13 by 16 we are subtracting. So we'll write it as minus 13 by 16 minus 5 by 8. We are subtracting this term from minus 13 by 6. So always you have to write this term as the second term. So the next step is minus 13 by 16 minus into minus plus 5 by 8. Here also the denominators are different. You have to make the denominators equal. So we have to take the LCM 16 and 8. The LCM will be 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8. So 16 is the LCM. That is equal to minus 13 by 16 into 16 by 16 plus 5 by 8 into 16 by 16. So cancel 16 here. Here this will be 2. So your answer will be minus 13 by 16 plus 10 by 16. So we can write this as minus 13 plus 10 divided by 16, and that is equal to minus 3 by 16. Here Subtract 10 from 13 and give sign of 13. So your answer will be minus 3 by 60. Now solve this question and find the answer. Now consider the next question. Here it is given that sum of two rational numbers is 9 by 20 and one number is 2 by 5. Let's find the other number. How to find it? So we don't know what's the other number. So consider the other number as x. Let the other number be x. Now we have to add given number as well as this x so that we will get the sum as 9 by 20. So we'll write this as x plus 2 by 5 is equal to 9 by 20. Now we have to bring this term to the other side. You will get this as x is equal to 9 by 20 minus 2 by 5. Take the LCM here because this has different denominators. The LCM of 5 and 20 is 5 fours are 20. This is 1 again with 4. 5 fours are 20 is the LCM. So you have to multiply both the numerator as well as the denominator with 20. For both the terms, we'll get this as 2 by 5 into 20 by 20. This get cancelled. This will be 4 here. So your answer will be 9 by 20 minus 8 by 20. That is equal to, upon 20, 9 minus 8, that is equal to 1 by 20 is your answer. So the other number to be added is 1 by 20. Look at the next question. Which rational number to be added minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9? So here also we have to consider, let x be the number to be added. Let x be the number to be added. So what happens? We will add minus 7 by 8 plus x, that is equal to 5 by 9. When we are adding x to this particular number, the sum we are getting as 5 by 9. So what we have to do in the next step is to bring this minus 7 by 8 to the other side. So you get this as x is equal to 5 by 9 plus 7 by 8. Here minus 7 by 8 becomes plus 7 by 8 and that is equal to, again we have to take the LCM here since both are of different denominators. When you take the LCM you will get this as 72. So you have to multiply both the terms with 72. 5 by 9 into 72 by 72 plus 7 by 8 into 72 by 72. Simplify this. You'll get this as 40 by 72 plus 63 by 72. And your final answer is equal to 103 by 72. That means when you are adding 103 by 72 to minus 7 by 8, we will get the sum as 5 by 9. Now this questions for you. Here you have to see which rational number to be added to minus 5 by 9 to get minus 2 by 3. And here the sum of rational numbers is minus 2 by 3 and one of them is given as minus 8 by 5. Find the other number. That is all for today. Let's meet in the next class with other topic. Thank you.